Hi everyone, I'm Anna Peters, Zambia Art Team member, and I'm here to share with you a blowout. So excited, I took my extensions out, gave myself a nice conditioning treatment, and now I'm gonna share with you my favorite way to blow dry my hair. Of course, using all my favorite products from REDKEN and my Zambia tools. I always start before I detangle and comb out my hair. I use REDKEN's One United. It has 25 benefits to it, smells amazing, and works so well at combing out the tangles. Then I'm going to apply REDKEN's Play Safe as my heat protectant and leave-in treatment. So just a little bit on your palm, working it through your palms and in between your fingers, always starting at the ends, and then up through the crown. Next, I'm going to apply my REDKEN Guts, my volume mist, dry off my hands. And I like to have some volume. I have fine, thin hair, so this really helps me to get some volume through the crown. So just applying through that crown area and massaging that in. Give yourself a nice little head massage there. Once all of that is done, we are going to start by taking out most of the moisture, about 80% of the moisture. So here I go. Guys, here I am about 80% dry. Now, if you couldn't tell before, I am blonde. It always looks darker when it's wet, and I do have a fringe. So if you notice, while I was blow drying, getting out the moisture, I was using my hands and directing the hair where I want it to lay. So through the crown, I was lifting up and blow drying that root up. And then at the end, you noticed I just smoothed my head and allowed my bangs to all fall out into their natural laying, falling position. Now I'm going to use my REDKEN Artist Series paddle brush for a nice, smooth, shiny finish. And I'm gonna just do a wrap dry through my fringe area and through the back where I get a really nice crack in the back of my head from the cowlick I have. Using this method is going to really help to diffuse any cowlicks you have through the crown and give you a nice neutral lay through the fringe. If you don't have a bang, go ahead and still do this, and you can easily move your hair from side to side. My bangs are dried and my crown is dried all at the roots. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to section off the top part of my head. You see, do I have a clip? Sectioning off the crown, clipping that out of your way. I'm gonna go in with my thermal round brush from Zamvia, and I'm gonna give myself just a nice full blowout. Now my nozzle on my blow dryer is just going to follow the brush all the way down to the ends and just a slight little bevel at the ends. Here we go. So as you can see, just turning your head, grabbing the hair from the back and placing your brush at the base and just following down all the way to the ends. Now that the bottom is all dry, I'm gonna drop the top and finish the top sections. Working in large sections, this section is from right behind my ear to the hairline. My root is already dried with the volume and the direction that I want. Now I'm just brushing through my section, making sure there's no tangles, laying my hair underneath, spinning to make sure I have a nice tension. And now I'm gonna just follow that brush with the dryer. soft, smooth, and shiny. Here's the back view. And the front. Now I have a little bit of a longer fringe, so I'm gonna show you next on how to use your ironwork to really spruce up after your blow dry. But I'm loving how this feels. Hope that helped. Bye.